Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1527 for the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, February 25th, 2020. It's 10:51 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:51 p.m. Central Time, and 7:51 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have J Lamb 1 spot, Mad Dog 3, Grumpy 10, Scott with 6, Detour 5, D Crowell with 5. Gonna randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. J Lamb, you're on top. D Crowell on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and a lucky number 7 has D Crowell on top, Grumpy on the bottom. Crowell has the Diamondbacks. Detour, Braves, Orioles, Grumpy, Red Sox, Mad Dog, Cubs, Detour, White Sox, Mad Dog, Reds, D Crowell, Indians, Rockies, Grumpy, Tigers, Scott with the Astros, Grumpy, Royals, Angels, Scott, Dodgers, Grumpy, Marlins, Scott, Brewers, Grumpy, Twins, Detour, Mets, Grumpy, Yankees, J Lamb, Athletics, D Crowell, Phillies, Scott, Pirates, Grumpy, Padres, Scott, Giants, Detour, Mariners, Scott, Cardinals, Grumpy, Rays, Mad Dog, Rangers, D Crowell, Blue Jays, and last but not least, Grumpy with the Washington Nationals. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. I see a 10. 10 of who? Rafael Devers, pristine 10. Bowman's Best, top prospect, blue refractor, centering 10, edges 10, corners 9.5, surface 10 for the Boston Red Sox. 122 out of 150. Boston Red Sox, third baseman Rafael Devers. Congrats to the Red Sox. Let's see who has the Red Sox. Boston Red Sox going to Grumpy 12004. Congrats, Grumpy. On break 1527 in the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Pack. 10 pristine Rafael Devers, centering 10, edges 10, corners 9.5, surface 10. And we want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break. We do appreciate it. And all of you watching, don't forget to subscribe. Please leave us feedback on eBay and check us out on social media. We hope to see you all very soon. And stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.